Buenas, buenas, buenitas, buenas. ¿Qué tal? Un saludo al vacío. A ver, hoy día... A ver, la vez pasada rehicimos el sistema de efectos de los objetos. Entonces, por ejemplo, este tiene el efecto Shadow y tiene un icono ahí arriba. Entonces, si un gato negro come de ahí, trabaja al doble de velocidad el objeto. Sí. Vamos a sacar un gato. Nope. No. 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 Ahí está. Por fin un gato negro. Vamos a comprar más de estos. Max Coins. Max Coins. Max Coins. Creo que tengo demasiados gatos. Eso suele pasar. No me va a alcanzar la comida, no me va a alcanzar nada. Pero, paciencia. 40 rascadores. Carbón. Comederos también. Comedero. Comida. Que limpiar esto. Camas. Comida. Bien, camas. Caja de arena. Rascadores. Ya. Entonces este, por ejemplo, tiene el efecto Sunset, que hace que los naranjas lo potencien. Ya. Entonces, todos estos tienen un efecto diferente. Todos estos tienen el efecto Shadow. Entonces, este aparentemente está yendo a comer acá. Entonces, vamos a encontrar Canvas, no. Level, Entities, Interactable. Y este feeder, ¿cuál será? Yo creo que está yendo a este. Feeder prefab tiene uno de multiplicador, o sea, no está siendo multiplicado. Cuando este llegue... Ah, no, se va a rascador. Rayos. Pensé que se estaba viendo comer. Igual debería, ahora sí. Mientras estas come, está en 1.5. Quiero decir que come más rápido. Y... Aquí limpiar esto. Ahí. Y estos tienen el efecto Sunset, que significa que los naranjas hacen que vaya más rápido. Entonces, vamos a buscar uno de estos. Probablemente usen este. ¿Dónde está? Grid Cell, que tiene un pooper. Este. Y... pero este no parece tener el multiplayer, ¿no? Ah, es un pooper. Perdóname. Entonces está mal. ¿Cuál es? Ah, este es. My bad. Este es el feeder. Y el feeder tiene bonus multiplier de 1. Vamos a ver que un naranja coma aquí y debería cambiar. Marrón, 1. Negro. Ahí está. No. Creo que un naranja como este. Bueno, estoy comiendo el de abajo. De este. 1.5. Porque tiene efectivamente el Orange Breed Bonus. Y pues este es naranja. Ahora está super slow porque está angry. Porque no tiene donde dormir. Pero funciona. La contaminación también funciona. Entonces ya no es tan rápido progresar. Podríamos aprovechar para hacer un stress test de cuánto aguanta nuestro juego en cantidad de gatos. Pero no sé si sea el momento. Creo que no. Vamos a tratar de programar otros efectos para tener variedad. Y de ahí vamos a crear variantes de objetos usando el mismo arte que ya tenemos para aplicarle específicamente esos objetos a esos tipos y esas variedades. Ahorita solo tenemos que coman más rápido si es que son negros o si es que son naranjas. Quiero hacer otro que se llama Zen. Voy a sacar la lista. ¿Dónde está la lista? La lista, la lista. ¿Dónde está la lista? Este no es. Mechanics, Contamination, no. Todo. Vamos a ponerlo arriba. ¿Lo puedo poner arriba? No. ¿Por qué no puedo poner arriba? Ah, ya. Todos los. Ok, bueno. Entonces, este Shadow ya está. Foodie. Todavía no. Todo lo que es next to, necesito hacer una condicional en el que diga next, que se llame next to type. Entonces, si está cerca a algo del type que yo le he dicho que es, va al doble de velocidad. Pero igual la idea, aquí está, bonuses. Entonces, faster during daytime y faster during night. La vamos a guardar todavía porque no hemos hecho el day and night system. Este es interesante. Porque esto... ¿Qué tan fácil es que alguien haga coincidir ciertos gatos específicos en ciertos lugares? Muy difícil. Entonces no sé si esto realmente es... Sí, no sé si eso realmente... A ver, déjame pensar. Estoy pensando, ahorita los efectos le dicen al objeto qué tan rápido, qué más rápido debe ir. Y eso no sé si me conviene. Por ejemplo, en el Breed Bonus Data, le decimos por cuánto multiplica la velocidad. ¿Ya? Entonces el comedero revisa si es que el breed del gato coincide con el que yo le he dicho que debería ser, negro o naranja, y si lo es, te da el multiplier que hayamos configurado, en este caso 2, si no, te da 1. Mi pregunta es si es que estos valores de 2 o 1.5 los deberían dar los efectos, o cada feeder debería saber cuál es el máximo de speed multiplier que puede tener. Porque digamos que un objeto tenga 2 bonuses de velocidad. Se multiplica una vez por 2 y otra vez por 2, se tienes por 4. Y eso es brutal. Sí. Sí. Vamos a hacer el tema de... ¿Podríamos hacer el tema del Rainbow? No sé. Todavía no estoy tan seguro, ¿ya? Chance of cats to spawn a coin at start of use. Chance. Ok. Este lo podemos ver. Works faster if a calmed or loved cat is using it. Entonces... podríamos hacerlo así. Zen y Lovely. Entonces el Zen es si está calmado. Y este va a ser Epic. Y el Lovely puede ser Rare. Porque es más específico. O sea, ese acá es más OP, porque casi siempre están calmados. Y es más difícil tenerlos y que permanezcan en Loft. Entonces vamos a hacer Lovely y Zen en diferente. Vamos a hacerlos ahorita. Entonces, así como tenemos Breed Bonus Data, vamos a copiar y pegar. Vamos a llamarlo Relax Stress. No, Relax Bonus Data. Tum, 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 tum. Y vamos a ver en nuestro gato, en el Stress Component, Cat Skin, Events. Había uno de Stress. Acá está. Tenemos States. ¿Cómo se llama? Stress State. Ok. Entonces el multiplier vamos a decir que es 2. Y acá vamos a obtener un Stress State, Target State. Entonces, tenemos que hacer Stress Target State. No. Stress State Cat State es igual a cat.get stress component .state. Y vamos a revisar si cat state es igual a target state. Si es true, pasamos el work speed multiplier. Si es falso, decimos 1. ¿Por qué este no funciona? Ay, espérate. Ese es Relax Bonus Data, perdóname. Relax Bonus Data. Bien. Vamos a ver. Lo bueno es que este es más fácil de probar. Entonces, vámonos a Data, Bonuses y vamos a crear Create Data. Bonuses. Relax bonus. Creo que para ordenar esto mejor, voy a decir relax. O sea, bonus. Relax. Relax bonus. Subguión. Count. ¿Se llama count? Relaxed. Y este va a ser, se va a llamar Zen. Relaxed cats works faster if being used by a relaxed cat. Le vamos a poner nuestro icono que ya habíamos hecho, que está acá. Queremos que esté relaxed. Con este mismo objetivo, cuando hagamos la lógica de lootear cosas mejores o diferentes, el check es el mismo. Si está loved, de repente tiene mayor chance de darte mejor loot. Entonces, relax bonus, relax bonus, loved. Este es más difícil de lograr porque vamos a pedirle que esté loved. Vamos a decirle por 2, ¿ya? 2. Y acá vamos a decir breed bonus, sub-black, breed bonus, sub-orange, y este loved, vamos a decirle lovely. Este no tiene icono, lo vamos a poner cualquiera que tengamos de un corazón. Este. Y vamos a probarlo. Y se lo tenemos que aplicar a alguien. Se lo voy a aplicar a la data de items, feeders, el disposable. Ahorita el disposable, stats, bonus tiene bonus black. Se lo voy a cambiar a orange. Y vamos a probar con el loft primero. Entonces, de por sí va a tener 2 de multiplier. Si le doy de comer y está loft, debería tener 4. Y comer como un rayo. Vamos a buscar nuestro feeder. 1. Dos. Come súper rápido. Para él. Ya, digiere lentísimo, eso sí. Probablemente quiera dormir cuando salga. Y se estrese. Ya, entonces le voy a dar amor. Carambas. Si le doy amor, ahí está. 4. Vamos a tener otro gato. Que es negro. Y debería, cuando coma, darle 1 nomás de multiplier. Bien. ¿Por qué? Porque no coincide ni con el sunset ni con el loft. Pero si yo le doy loft, va a 2. Bien. Lo que no sé es qué pasa cuando hay más de un gato negro, por ejemplo. ¿Qué pasa si hay dos gatos negros comiendo a la vez de algo? ¿Se super multiplica? No lo sé. Entonces, voy a agarrar el Moon Bowl, que es para 2. Creo. Y a este le vamos a poner los efectos. Vamos a decirle Brit Bonus naranja, Brit Bonus negro. Y le vamos a decir Relaxed. En teoría no debería subir de 4. Pero puede que suba a 8. Vamos a crear un Moon Bowl. Comida. Caja de arena. Busquemos coin. Busquemos coin. Ya, no nos salió un gato negro, pero no importa. Este en realidad va a poner store. Wait. Y ya. Está en 1. Ahora está en 2 por alguna razón. Probablemente porque está con un gato relaxed. Ya. Y ahora hay 2 gatos relaxed. Pero solo chequea una vez. Ambos están relaxed. Ah, wait. ¿Y si está loved? Que es mejor. No tiene el bonus. Entonces debería ser relaxed or better. ¿No? Si yo le doy amor a esto. Está en 2. Y si le doy amor a este. Ah, justo. Ya, pero la cosa es que no se multiplica. Eso está bueno. Cama. Vamos a tener otra cama, ¿ya? Ahora ese está comiendo y le está dando 4. Porque es naranja y está relaxed. A ver. Bien, gato negro. Vamos a ver qué pasa si hay un gato negro con color naranja. Acá está en 2. Y aunque haya otro, está en 2. Ahora vamos a ver el gato negro. Está en 2. Tengo el gato negro y el naranja. Y no está multiplicándose. Por alguna razón. Acá está por 2. Y ahora sí está por 4. Qué raro. O no estaban comiendo a la vez. Creería que sí, ¿ah? 2 porque está relax. Si le hago esto debería ser 1. Ya. Ahora va a comer el gato negro. Por 2. Por ser negro. Y ahora debería ser por 4 porque estoy teniendo uno naranja. Aunque no sé qué efectos le he dado esto. Sí, naranja y negro. Ok, acá hay un escenario extraño. Y creo que es porque le estoy mandando... Estoy haciendo el check con un gato a la vez. Entonces, está comiendo el negro. Mando la información del gato negro. Es negro. Entonces, de todos estos, es por 2. De ahí en el siguiente frame, o en el mismo frame, mando la data del naranja. El naranja también le dice, sí es naranja. Pero no es negro. Entonces igual es 2, pero no se suman. En cambio, cuando yo son relaxed y coinciden con la raza, porque son consultas del mismo gato, sí se multiplican. La pregunta es... Voy a mantener en loft. Claro, es que el bonus se manda en el consume. Ahí, por ejemplo, está en 2 porque se cumple el que esté relaxed. Y si yo lo... Ah, no, está loft. Ah, no, ese no es. Si aquí no le pongo loft. Por 2. Pero lo que puedo hacer con este gato naranja es pasarlo a relaxed. Y entonces el bonus debería ser 4. 4. Ya, acá está uno negro. Y los dos están relaxed. Está negro y relaxed. Y eso lo multiplica por 4. Y está bien. Ya, pero eso es porque estoy destacando dos cosas. O sea, está bien la lógica, solamente que como yo estoy destacando cosas que se contradicen. Está bien. Porque va for each bonus y multiplica uno por el otro. Pero ese for each lo hace cada gato. Entonces eso lo hace bonus component, creo que es. Get bonuses. No, lo hace el feeding component en este caso. Entonces el feeding component, el gato se consume. Le dice quién es y ya se consume. Y modifica el bonus work multiplier de la entidad del feeder. Viene acá y dice, por cada bonus que sea iWork Speed bonus, que son los que tenemos, multiplicamos por la cantidad de bonuses que se cumplan, pero con este gato. Ya. O sea, está bien. Entonces Relax y Loft ya están. Chévere. Nuestro ítem... Ningún ítem debería tener efectos que se contradigan. Por ejemplo, el Moon Bowl no debería tener Black y Orange. Por ejemplo. Y... con eso tenemos Zen y Epic. Listos. Zen y Epic, check. Ya. Chance of cats to spawn a coin at start of use. Ya. Hay otro que tenga coin producing. Ok. Sporadically produces coins. Esto es interesante porque no habíamos planteado que los gatos generen... que los objetos generen monedas. Solo los gatos. Entonces, hoy en día, ¿cómo generamos...? No, primero vamos a hacer push de esto. Zen más lovely bonuses. Va. Y ahora vamos a hacer el de las monedas. Cat prefab. Por acá hay uno que debe decir heart o algo. Heart Generator Component. Vamos a aprovechar y vamos a cambiar esto porque ya no se llama Heart Generator. Es un Coin Generator Component. Y está interesante porque tiene un iLeaf Component que significa que tiene ticks y responde a los ticks. Entonces, Coin Generator Component. Buenas. Buenas, buenas. Hoy estamos haciendo efectos para nuestros ítems. Entonces, hay un... Ahorita lo estamos probando en nuestro plato base con el que iniciamos el juego. Le hemos puesto que si el gato que come, según gato naranja come el doble, todos coman el doble rápido, o sea, funciona el doble de velocidad. Y si además está en estado loft, también es otro bonus que tiene y iría otra vez al doble. O sea, si es un gato naranja loft, va al cuádruple de velocidad. Solamente para probar, ¿no? Ese ítem podría existir, o sea, esta combinación podría existir, pero más adelante en raros, épicos o legendarios. Pero entonces, si nosotros vemos el feeder, acá está su multiplicador de velocidad. Está en 1 porque nadie está comiendo de ahí. Pero cuando entre ese gato y se dé cuenta que es naranja, ahora se lo multiplica por 2. Y si yo le doy amor, se multiplica por 4 porque era naranja y estaba amado. Y acá si le ponemos el mouse encima, vemos los iconos de los efectos que están activos. Que es el sunset, que es para los gatos naranjas, y el corazoncito, que es para cuando están loft. La idea es de ahí... Esos son los efectos, efectivamente. Efectos, efectivamente, sí. Entonces nosotros podemos luego diseñar mejores ítems. La idea es que los commons y los uncommons no tengan efectos, simplemente sean más grandecitos y tengan más arena, etc. Pero la idea es que los raros, épicos y legendarios ya tengan 1, 2 o 3 efectos a la vez. Y eso nos va a dar mucha variedad de ítems. Entonces, por ejemplo, si yo le cambio, en vez de que necesite un gato naranja, a que tenga el efecto que lo hemos llamado Shadow, que creo que es este. Ya me muestra, ahí está, este es el icono del Shadow. Esto significa que los gatos negros hacen que vaya más rápido. O alguien que está loft. Entonces si yo le doy loft, ahorita va a empezar a comer al doble de velocidad. Pero ya no va a ser el cuádruple de velocidad porque este es un ítem que ahora es tipo Shadow. No creo que me toque un gato negro justo ahora. No, obviamente no. Bueno. Pero bueno, esa es la lógica, ¿no? Entonces, tenemos acá ideas de varios... ¿Dónde estamos? Efectos. Muchos. Que nos van a dar un poco de variedad en el juego, ¿no? Tenemos por raza, que ya les hicimos. Tenemos por estado anímico, que ya les hicimos. Ahorita quiero hacer uno que te da una chance de que cuando el gato entre a usarlo, te genere un coin. Automáticamente. No lo entendí antes, pero ahora aplicado está mejor. Sí. Sí, y es más sencillo. O sea, es súper sencillo. No tengo que poner timers, ni si está prendido o apagado. Es este ítem, cuando llega un gato negro, va más rápido. Eso es. Sin porcentaje ni nada. Puedo poner la palabra más rápido. Faster. Y hay otros que, por ejemplo, si es lucky, quiere decir que tienes más chances de tener una regresa diferente. Este que se llama el efecto glitter es si le pones arena de 2 de calidad, la trata como si fuese de 3, ¿no? Le pone su extra shine así. Sí, era confuso de explicar. Este que se llama natural, hay más chances de tener objetos más raros si es que está al costado de una planta, por ejemplo. Entonces no te obliga, pero te incentiva a jugar. Ok, este lo voy a rodear lo voy a poner al costado de una planta porque sé que es... le gustan las plantas, ¿no? Tiene el efecto natural. Y ya. Entonces voy a empezar a hacer algunos efectos solamente para que se entienda que hay ítems que van a tener efectos y otros que no, y otros mejores y otros peores. Y con eso ya es un poco más lógico querer lootear y buscar juegos nuevos, ítems nuevos que me den otras estrategias, ¿no? También no sé si viste el tema de la contaminación que creamos la semana pasada. Pero no sé si estabas... No sé si lo llegaste a ver. Ah, ya sí. Ajá. Si se ensucia una celda, si no limpias la arena, no la renuevas en realidad, alrededor de esa caja las cosas dejan de funcionar porque apesta. Y solo vuelven a funcionar si es que la limpias, ¿no? Yo siempre estoy como Dios omnipresente. Te creo. Así. Mafita Colonia. Of course. Pero bueno, en esos andamos. Entonces quiero hacer algunos efectillos. Para que existan nada más dentro del contenido. De ahí quiero arreglar... Voy a ver qué más hago. Pero creo que ya voy a empezar a buscar hacer un build, una versión que pueda empezar a rotar entre personas. En Zoom. ¿Cómo es en Zoom? ¿Crees que me persigne en Zoom? Sí. Claro que Jax. Y eso es, en esas andamos. Unos cuantitos nomás, porque no me voy a poner a hacer todos ahorita. Iba a ser el de la moneda, pero en realidad creo que voy a hacer glitter. Voy a hacer glitter. igual estaba haciendo otra cosa, creo. Coin Generator Component. Sí, no. Heart Pickup Prefab, cambiar de nombre. Coin. Es que antes eran corazones, entonces hay muchas cosas que dicen hearts. Y ya no deberían serlo. De hecho, el texto de adoptar todavía te pide corazones. Tooltips. No hay adopt. Generic, deco. Generic. Ahí, entonces el adopt button de abajo. Front end, no. Hood. Bottom. Adopt. Y acá dice... Acá tengo que ponerlo. Click to adopt. Adopt a new cat. Spend. Bla bla bla. Coins. Y el color del coin va a ser este. Ya. Entonces ahora dice collect 2 de 3 coins. Ya está. Hearts, 2 coins. Push. Vamos a hacer los efectos. ¿No? Coin Generator para después. Feeding Component. Entity Manager. Read bonus data, ahorita lo duplicamos. Relax bonus data, ya está. Get stress. Y ya. Feeding component. Refill. Current food, entity visual. Can be refilled. Tengo que encontrar dónde es que calculamos la calidad. Y ahí es donde tengo que poner que afecte el efecto. What? Exacto. Ya. Vamos a buscar bonuses. Bonus. Vamos a aplicar cualquiera. Y ese va a ser... Quality bonus data. Y aquí cambiar el nombre a quality bonus data. Y acá, a ver, vamos a ver ya. ¿Por qué no puedo hacer esto? No me ya tiene una definición para quality bonus data. What? ¿Qué? Ah, qué tonto. Al relax bonus data le cambió el nombre también. No. Eso de cambiar nombre no era la opción correcta. Y probablemente rompí estos dos. Relax bonus data. Ahí está bien. Ahora sí. Entonces acá debería poder tener yo qué es lo que va a afectar la calidad. Puede ser que siempre porque este es un bonus que yo puedo configurar para cada ítem, o sea, para cada efecto. Entonces tendrían que ser cosas como temporales, ¿no? Si es de día o de noche, o si siempre te da. ¿Qué otra opción puede ser? Si está next to. Entonces Vamos a cambiarlo. A context quality bonus data. ¿Ya? Y aquí vamos a poner public enum quality bonus no quality context quality bonus context, y vamos a decir daytime, nighttime, always. Sí. Entonces con este vamos a poder sacar que este mismo efecto puede tener 3 variantes. De ahí podemos hacer uno que en vez de context sea place quality. Y de ahí podemos revisar, en vez de decirle que revise si es day, night o always, es si tiene alrededor alguna decoración, alguna planta, algún feeder, algún pooper. Entonces ya toda esa condicional solamente la copio, le pego y la modifico. Y le pongo nombres bonitos y ya está. Sí. Entonces, acá necesitamos saber el context. Target context. Y vamos a usar uno de estos. Get multiplier está bien. Current context. Todavía no vamos a hacer daytime y nighttime, ya. Acá vamos a poner un más adelante. Vamos a revisar day or night. Por ahora, no importa cuál sea el target context. Bueno, sí importa. Vamos a hacer entra entity y entra cat. Vamos a forzarlo, ya. Current var current context es igual a quality bonus context punto always. Y acá vamos a decir si current context es igual a target context A o B. Y ahora quality context quality. No, context tiene más sentido. Y entonces vamos a cambiar esto, cambiar nombre a quality context. Ahí vamos. Entonces ahora podemos crear otro bonus. Create data bonuses quality context bonus always. Y acá podemos poner glitter. Descripción. Upgrades the quality of the current supply. No se entiende muy bien ya, pero bueno. Y vamos a ponerle cualquier icono. Contexto always. Y acá no necesitamos un multiplier, la verdad. Podríamos retornar no necesariamente un float. Wait. Esto no es un iWork Speed Bonus. Esto es un iQuality Bonus. Ya. Acá vamos a buscar la iWork. iWork Speed, ¿no? Entonces, ¿dónde hemos puesto esto? En bonus data. Lo creamos acá. Okay. Entonces los iWork Speed Bonus nos dan un multiplier, que es un float. Pero yo quiero un iQuality Bonus. Que get additional. Y nos va a dar un float. Porque no va a ser un multiplier. Vamos a empezar a cambiarlos. Entonces acciones rápidas. Implementamos acciones rápidas. Implementar. Get additional. Va a ser esto. ¿Y por qué no? ¿También me pide un multiplier? No quiero un multiplier. Quality context. Bonus data. Quality bonus. What? ¿Por qué no le puedo hacer clic? What? Acá estaba, ¿no? ¿Qué? Algo raro aquí. Cambiar nombre. Cada vez que cambio nombres, arruino todo. Bonus data. iQuality bonus. Relax bonus data. Hace work speed. Quality usa quality. Tengo que ir a breed bonus y asegurarme que esté en work speed. Ya. Ok. Entonces en quality context le vamos a regresar un additional que probablemente sea 1. Lo normal es 0. Quiere decir que si tenías calidad 3, se va a mantener en 3, pero si se cumple la condición, va a estar en +1, 4. Sí. La pregunta es, ¿en qué momento determinamos la calidad? Y además nuestras calidades van de 10 en 10. Entonces esto acá es 10 en realidad. Vamos a ver. Vamos a crear el bonus. Create data bonuses quality context y vamos a decir quality. Ya lo había hecho. Ok. Vamos a ponérselo a nuestro refill normal, disposable, al default. Esto es un quality context bonus always. Ahora, ¿en qué momento? Es un feeder, ¿no? Feeder prefab. ¿En qué momento determinamos cuando le pasamos la calidad del supply? Yo creo que es el feeding component cuando hacemos end. Consume, try enter. Refill. If is empty. Está. Tengo dos if is empty, ¿no? ¿Quién hace consume? El gato, el feed behavior. Acá está, en complete o en interrupt. En interrupt no va a crear un food. Interesante, interesante, interesante. Last food es esto. Tendríamos que aquí en nutrition guardar, acá revisar la calidad si es que cambia o no. Pero este feed behavior, no, sí se comunica con el feeder, ok. Déjame pensar, ¿cómo pasamos el extra de calidad? Ya, entonces en nutrition tenemos stomach fill, last food, y deberíamos tener un public float additional food quality para guardar acá eso. Entonces clear stomach, vamos a hacer esto es igual a 0. Y simplemente vamos a guardar la información del feeder, del bonus, cuando termina de comer. Feed need. Ya. Nutrition.start last food es esto. Entonces, vamos a hacer un private get bonus quality float, y así como hicimos el get multipliers, que también es el feed behavior o el feeding component, no me acuerdo cuál es, acá get work multiplier, que es todo esto. En el feed behavior vamos a poner acá get quality additionals. Le vamos a pasar el gato pues porque sí. El float adicional va a ser 0 por default por cada bonus. En los bonuses que todavía no hemos agregado a este behavior. Es que ese de acá no tiene. Ya. Acá necesitamos bonus components. Entity bonuses component, perdón. Bonuses C. Y acá en feed behavior tenemos que decirle bonuses C es igual a feeder.get bonuses component. ¿Por qué no puedo? Cat entity feeding component no tiene. Entonces feeder.bonuses ya tiene, creo. .bonuses. Sí. Entonces no necesito hacer esto. Copio, chao. Los bonuses ya están en mi feeder. Entonces, feeder.bonuses. Si no es un quality bonus, hay quality bonus. Chao. No ignóralo. De ahí float bonus add es igual a quality bonus.get additional. No se llama. ¿Cómo lo llamé? Print bonus acá. Sí. Creo que es un doble D. De additional, creo, Deben de agregar, ¿no? Supongo. Get additional. Le pasamos este y este. Additional más el bonus add. Entonces van a ir aumentando. Si hay más condiciones que se han cumplido. Chévere. Return additional. Y aquí lo que tenemos que hacer es nutrition. Additional food quality es igual a get quality additionals de nuestro gato. Cat. Entonces, vamos a ponerlo a prueba. Nuestro disposable plate no va a tener el efecto, pero el de Temu sí. Quality context always. Quality context glitter y tiene icono. Le pusimos cualquier cosa, ¿no? Ya. ¿Cómo vamos a verificar esto en el gato? En el componente nutritivo de nuestro gato, que guarda la data. Entonces, vamos a ver acá. El cat tiene un nutrition component en algún lado. Entonces, este de aquí no tiene el bonus de calidad. Sin embargo, luego vamos a hacer uno. Y le vamos a poner la misma comida, pan. Va a ser este. Y este sí tiene. Ahí está, el icono de. Ups. Wait a minute. Coin pickup prefab de. Se rompió mi coin pickup prefab. Coin generator component, perdónenme. Entonces en mi cat prefab. Coin generation component. Me falta el pickup. Entonces acá voy a poner coin. Drop prefab. Ahora sí. Ahora sí que sí. Entonces. Le ponemos pan a este. Vamos a crearnos uno de Temu. Acá arriba. Primero que coma este. Y este sí tiene el efecto. Y este no tiene el efecto. Entonces, vamos a nuestro cat. Y vamos a su... acá, Nutrition Component. Cuando termine de comer de acá, debería salir 0K todavía. Bien. Le voy a Store. Vamos a hacer que vaya al baño y haga todas sus cosas. Y luego vamos a ver qué pasa cuando come de este. El Additional Food Quality debería estar en 10. Todavía no estamos usando la data para nada. Va a querer dormir, pero no me conviene que duerma ahorita. Ya, ahora sí. Ahora cuando termine de comer de aquí, que lo está haciendo lentísimo, acá debería decir 10. Si dice 10, chévere. El ítem con su bonus está funcionando. 2. What the... Ah, ya. Bueno. 2. ¿Será porque acá he dicho 2 yo? Ah, sí. Ok. ¿Por qué se llama Work Speed Multiplier? What? Ah, no. Quality... Supply Quality Additional. Vamos a llamarse. Cambiar el nombre. Supply Quality Additional. Ya. Está bien, sí se añadió. Solo que yo había puesto mal el valor. Ahora sí va a darle 10. Ahora hay que necesitamos que ese 10 tenga impacto. Ahorita es data que está en el gato, su estómago. Le dice, mi última comida que comí tenía 10 extra de calidad de lo que muestro. Entonces creo que cuando se genera el poop, tenemos que leer este extra de calidad. ¿Ya? Sí. Entonces yo creo que tenemos una clase que se llama poop. Porque sí, obviamente hay que tener una clase que se llama poop. No hay. ¿Dónde está? Poop. ¿Saben cómo suena esta clase? Poop. Ya. Entonces, el poop tiene last food. Pero esta se la pasamos. Todo bueno. Este se lo pasamos. Mira, total quality es igual a get supply quality, que es el de la arena o el de la comida. El de la comida más get supply quality del sand. Aquí deberíamos agregarle ese extrita, pero no el poop, sino el que llama al poop. O este debería decir additional quality. Get supply quality, ¿qué hace? Ok. Ya, entonces tenemos que aquí pasarle una nueva, un nuevo float, que es un número decimal, pero pup, pip, pup, pup, pip, pup, pup, pip, pup. Float que se llame additional quality. Y este poop va a aumentarle ese additional quality al momento de decir cuál es la calidad total. Esto igual deberíamos hacer que no sea mayor de 100. Entonces total quality, vamos a hacer uno nuevo, var clamped quality es igual a mathf.clamp, el valor que es total quality, entre 0, que es el mínimo de calidad, y 100, que es el máximo de calidad. Si sale 110, va a ser 100. Y vamos a pasar el clamped quality. Y el roll poop. Oye, ¿esto? Espérate. Roll poop. Espérense. Aquí le vamos a decir clamped quality. Entonces clamped quality es igual a total quality clampeada. Y esa es la que vamos a pasar cuando hagamos roll. A ver qué ítem nos toca. Ya. Esto ya lo podemos borrar. Entonces voy a hacer acá un debug log. Debug.log para que nos diga cuál es el clamped quality. ¿Ya? Si como de algo con bonus, me va a dar 10. Si como de algo sin bonus, me debería dar 0. Y lo que nos va a fallar es que este método que se llama poop ahora nos pide una quinta información que es el additional quality. Entonces al momento de crearse el poop, que no sé por qué no aparece, debería aparecer acá referencia, ¿no? Qué raro. Control F, new poop. New to poop time, cut objective, no. Return new poop behavior, no. Poop results, tampoco. What? Get supply quality. Hay algo raro aquí. Public poop. Poop es igual a new poop. Aquí está. El poopy component lo que agarra es... Acá tenemos el gato. Entonces... Ah, pero mire, que no tenemos que pasarle una quinta. No, wait. No es necesario pasarle ese additional quality. Porque ya tenemos el owner. Entonces, var additional quality es igual a owner.nutrition el owner debe ser un cat entity, ojo. Esto me va a traer problemas, pero lo tenemos que hacer de una vez. Es igual a owner.nutrition. What? Cat.nutrition. ¿Cómo lleva nutrition? Es que no lo tiene. Ok, owner.get cat nutrition component tampoco está acá. Nutrition component punto additional food quality. Food quality additional. Sí. Additional food quality es esto. Y el sand lo vamos a sacar del pooper. Cuando el pooper también tenga posibilidad de tener additional quality. Por ahora vamos a hacer esto, ¿ya? Additional quality, additional sand quality es igual a 0. Eso ahorita lo cambiamos. Entonces, additional quality va a ser la suma de estos dos. Ahorita vamos a ver el sand quality. Porque si queremos poner ese efecto también a cajas de arena, tenemos que ver la forma. Tenemos que ver dónde se guarda esa información de la arena. ¿De dónde la saca? Pero un paso a la vez. Entonces, aquí hay un error. New entity pooping component entity cat. Sí, pues es que acá ya dije que es un entity, un cat entity. Le voy a quitar esto. Pues si le voy a hacer get component, entonces no me importa mucho. Ya. Listo. Entonces, este lo tiene el plato default. Entonces, vamos a hacer que coma. Y nos debería decir, a ver, cuando termine de comer, acá debería decir 0, 0. Y luego voy a conseguir el de Temu, que sí tiene el bonus. Y me debería decir 10, 10. Te vamos a probar con otra comida. Hey, Red Kevin Games, hello. Welcome to the jungle. Thanks. I'm gonna try this new thing. How do I shout out here? Red Kevin Games, I guess, like this. Yes. Hello. What's up? How's your game going? Space game, right? Zero, está bien. Cats. Yes, this is a cat adoption game. So you adopt cats, feed them, and then you clean their poops, but instead of finding poop, you find treasures, like loot. If you give them better food and better sand, they get better food, better items, which can be also more food or objects to decorate your rooms. And then you can do missions and expand your house. For example, here, this is ready to scoop. So this is like a mini game. You drag the diamond and you get, this is a toy. And then you can come here, select the toy, place it. And yeah, we're working on a sprint feature today. Yeah, I was on the chat, someone was asking if sprinting disabled or something melee attacks. I was lurking around. What's with the aspect ratio? No, this is supposed to work like on the side of the screen. So it's not supposed to be mobile or anything. So I'm gonna try to build it. See if it makes sense. But yeah, so you adopt more cats. Errors. You adopt more cats and they produce more coins. And with more coins, you can buy more stuff, and then you just grow and find funny objects. Desktop pet, literally, yeah. It's like Tamagotchis. But the idea, I haven't done a stress test yet. I'm gonna try with more than 20 cats. See how, if my PT burns or something. But yeah, the idea is that you just keep getting cats, and then I'm gonna do features like customize them, customize decorations, find other items with special features. So this is it. So the idea is that you work on your Unity game, blah 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 blah, but you get your cats on the side. You can pet them. They work faster. Well, work. They do stuff faster. Yeah, that's the. Do you do the art? It's nice. Yes, everything. I'm solo dev. Woo! You guys look a little like the oatmeal art. No idea what's the oatmeal art. I'm gonna search oatmeal art. Cat. It's a comic. I've seen this. Yeah, the eyes like popping out. Yes. Thanks, DB9. Full box. Thanks for the raid, Red Cabin. So if you like it, or not, if you're a cat lover or not, you can wishlist on the pinned link. And yeah, I usually stream in Spanish, but I also know English, so I can adapt depending on the questions or whatever. And that's it. You could, for example, right now I have maxed my coins, so I can adopt a new cat. This one is Filomeno, which has 3 missions that give me coins and final items, like they're called gifts. And with the gifts, you can unlock new rooms that give you different loot and different artifacts and features, themed like the room. There's a bathroom, kitchen, dining room, bedroom, closet, etc., etc. So the more cats you get, the more coins you produce, but you need more supplies to keep them happy. If they don't have food or clean sand, they get in angry mode, and that means they will move and do everything a lot slower. And thanks, Red Cabin. I love cats, I have cats, and that is why I don't want to scoop more. Poof, thank you. Well, the idea came to me by scooping. I scoop every day. I was like, why isn't there something interesting here in the sand? That could be a game. And that's this. But yeah, I'm gonna close this. But yeah, that's it. And then you get better items like litter boxes that can support more than 1 cat at a time. Also feeders, relaxers, and everything. Thanks, Fullbox, for the follow. Yeah, and right now, thanks you, Debate9, also. Thanks a lot. Woo! Thank you. So right now we're working on effects, like bonuses for the items, because common and uncommon items just change in the amount of supplies they can support. This small feeder supports, I don't know, 300 food, and another type of feeder, bigger one, supports more. But that's not interesting enough for the player to try to loot, because it's just it ends up being just a statistic. Okay, I have more food now. So we're adding effects which are these icons on top of the tooltip that trigger different bonuses depending on conditions. I'm a sucker for semicolons. So, for example, this one, the black icon is called shadow. So black cats, if they eat from this plate, they eat faster. And here the sunset means orange cats eat faster from this. We're just testing and just dropping random effects on the starting items just to check if they work as intended. But the idea is that more rare or rare items start having effects and bonuses. And they can also be like placement bonuses. Like, for example, if you place this feeder by a decoration or a plant, it has a bonus. So you start strategizing where to place them. For example, if you don't have scratchers and they get angry, they will scratch your other items and they can get damaged and destroyed eventually. And that's basically it by now. So yeah, right now we're testing the quality, our food quality. Let me see. Our food quality bonus. So if he eats from this one, we should debug here 10, because the second effect gives them extra quality to the sand or the food here. So our poop, when it's produced here and mixes sand and food to get a final quality, it should give us 10, 2 times here. If that's correct, we are reading the extra quality correctly. Awesome. So that works for the feeder. Thanks, CBA9. Good luck. Have a nice week. So yeah, I'm gonna stay streaming in English to practice also. So let's go to, we have the quality context bonus. So let's see this. The poop class. Okay, so this is this debug, we don't need it anymore. We are getting the food quality from the additional food quality. We need to do the same for the sand. And for that, we need to get the pooper to give us that information. A poop class, yeah. Yes, it's fun to have a class called poop. So we need to do something like pooper.get pooping component. And here we don't have it yet, but we should have an additional sand quality here. Let's do it. Now pooper service, pooper component. I need to clean this up. Current sand used. This we killed. Here. Public float additional sand quality equals 0. So we need to get this, and this should be when we stop using here at ready poops. Current sand data. We need, let me check how do we do this. In mount at ready poops, new poop. We need to pass that. We need to get the extra bonuses. So right now we don't have the bonus component in the poopers. We need to get that first. So pooper prefab. We've got the contaminator. Yeah, oh no, we do. So the pooping component does have. Do we have it cached here? Pooper visuals, entity item data. Nope. How do we get the? Wait. Consume, current and used, blah blah blah, refill. We don't use bonuses here for some reason, but we should. Feeding component does have a bonuses, right? Do we? Yes, okay. Gonna try to do the same. So poop behavior, poop component. Got the entity. So we're gonna, on entity initialized, we're gonna get bonuses component equals get entity dot get, and we're gonna do entity bonuses component. Okay, now we have access from the start. Yes. So at ready poops, we should get here. I'm gonna do debug. So float additional sand quality equals bonuses component. No. No. We need a method to get the additional. We did it with the feeding component here. Get work multiplier? Nope. What? Ah, it's in the behavior. Feed behavior. Hey, Todd Coates, thanks for the follow. So right here, get quality additionals is on the feed behavior. Interesting, interesting. Should we do it here also? On complete, poop need, inactive, reset, interrupt, complete. The feed behavior, which is here, does it on complete. So maybe that's what I'm thinking. I'm thinking we should do the same. So the feed poop behavior on complete should have this get quality additionals poop behavior, because this one knows the pooper entity. Yes. Okay. So on complete, we're gonna get this get quality additionals for each bonus in pooper. Dot bonuses, blah 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 blah. We return additional, so now we have to do pooper dot additional sand quality equals get quality additionals, and we get the cat. We don't have a cat here. Poop behavior entity. Pooper. We are not catching the cat. Okay. Entity. Cat owner. No. Cat. I'm gonna call it cat. So right here, cat equals entity. And we should pass this, which is already here, as get quality additionals. It takes back entity cat entity, which is correct, by the way. So I'm gonna be cat entity. I don't know if this is correct, but I'm gonna do it as cat entity. I may be breaking some rules here. So I now store on the pooper, which is what I need. I now have here the additional sand quality. So now I can pass that from here. Wait. I'm not sure if I'm doing this right. Feed behavior, just get it. Well, let's see. Additional sand quality equals nothing. We don't need this. We need a new poop to add additional sand quality. So the poop class needs to take a new float. Additional sand. Cool. Cute. So cute. And we don't need to do we don't. What? Okay, so we've stored it. We don't need to pass it because I'm already getting from the pooper. Okay. Don't need this. Let's see if this works. So, feed behavior. Okay, we should do a debug log on the poop class here. Let's do here. We're gonna do some food, sand, and total. And we're gonna add food here, sand here, and total here. Let's see if it works on poopers, because we know it works on the feeder. What's this? So let's take the first pooper, which is the thin box. No, the thin box won't have the effect. The plant pot will have the effect. Quality content. Quality context bonus. Okay. Let's try this. I'm not sure if it's gonna work. I hope it does. So first we're gonna try it with the basics. This does not have that effect, and this does not have any effect at all. So the first poop should be 0, 0, total 0. Should be. I'm gonna prepare the scratch bowl here. I'm gonna add to which did I add the quality demo? Okay, so I'm gonna add one of these feeders, and the plant pot, which is here. So next time he's gonna eat from here. Bye. And he's gonna poop here. I hope. 0, 0, 0. That's what we wanted. Gonna get the bed. The first item is always a bed. It's part of the onboarding process. I don't have enough coins. Now I do. Whoops. Let's build. So he's eating from here. And I don't want him to poop here. So right now in his stomach, let's go to game level entities somewhere, spawned entities, cats. The nutrition component has extra additional food quality. That's correct. And right now, if he poops here, or she, I don't know, the pooper should get extra 10, and we should see here is 10, 10, 20. Yes, so now have correctly made this item increase the quality of the sand by 10, this of the food by 10, so that's extra 20 quality, which should result on a better item, but you know, luck. So I should have debugged the final. So additional quality is this plus this, and then we're gonna do total quality. That's right. 0 plus 0. Yeah, okay. I'm gonna try with other food quality. So I'm gonna cheat here and get I guess this one, which I don't know how much quality it has, and the kibbles. I'm gonna store this, get them again. I need more coins, so I'm gonna get a new cat, max out, yes. So now I'm gonna get this, but with the kibbles, which should be, I believe, 30 in quality, and we need the pot with beach sand, which should be also 30. Let me check. Supply, foods, kibbles, 30, yes. Ok. Hey Google, prende la luz del escritorio. Let there be light. We need some toys. Let's see. The debug is going to be the same. It's going to be extra. 10, 10, 20. What I should debug is the final number we roll with, which is clamped quality. We could have yeah, let's debug this. Debug .log clamped quality. So it should be 30 plus 30, 60 plus 20, 80. So you roll 80 out of 100. That's very high. No, that's not very high. 30 plus 30, 60. Out of 100, that's a lot. I believe I can. Let me see. Roll poop, looted items, get loot. So the chance, blah blah blah, loot rarity. Let me check. We input a quality. We get chance with that. Quality. Divided by 2. Okay. So if we have 80 of a value of 80, it's actually a roll of 40. That makes more sense. Okay. Let's try it out. I don't know if I saved. I guess I did. Let's do this. I'm gonna change this. I'm gonna cheat this with extra quality sand, extra quality food. Let's feed. Who is he? Cohin. Let's feed him with this. And let's get more coins. A new cat, obviously. Tostada toast. Yes. Scratch ball. That's a must. And let's wait for Cohin to poop. The first poop is always a bet, so there isn't really a roll. But we should still get the numbers here. So that's correct. 60, which is 30, 30, but extra 10, 40 plus 40 is 80. We are rolling 80 here. It doesn't matter here because we have the default bid, which always comes first. So 40 out of 100. Okay, it works. It works. And this quality only affects sand and food, which are our only, yes, uncommon pooper. Awesome, awesome, awesome. But I don't know, what did I refill it with? Okay. I'm gonna store this. I'm gonna go default again. Here with bad food and here with bad. I've got to see if it resets correctly. So I'm gonna store this one. So you eat from this one. I'm gonna store this one. Come on, let's go. I believe this one can be used by 2 cats. I may be wrong. He wants to sleep. So right now we should have 10, 10, 20 again. 10, 0. So we got a bonus of stomach, which shouldn't be. Let me check. That shouldn't be true. So our cat still has 10 of extra. Because he hasn't eaten from here. He ate from the bonus one. Okay, so the next time he eats, it should be 0. Checking if it resets. Come on, Toast. Give me 0. 0. Give it to me. This one is resetted. 0, 0, 0. I just want to see if this goes to 0. Come on. Go faster. 0. Okay, because it has all brain. Okay, it works, people. It works. These eyes are not working. That was weird. Sorting point issues. But yes, this is good. Okay. I'm gonna check this out. So, glitter. We did it. We did it. Did it. Glitter. Check. Okay, we've got shadow, sunset, zen, lovely, and glitter. Okay. Double or nothing, gifted. Coin factory. Okay. So this quality context bonus, we could eventually, when we have the day and night cycle, call it night, and this will only work or give you the bonus during the night, and we can do another one of day, and items with this bonus will only work on daytime. Names for this, I have no idea. So glitter is always, so extra quality on day, we can name them solar. During daytime, and then we have a night one, so extra quality at night. We have solar, we could call it we have shadow for black cats. This is the night bonus, so more quality at night. That's a metaphor. Open to suggestions. Solar. Glow in the dark, maybe? It's like more shiny, but during the night. Oh, that could work. Night glow. No idea if this is a word. I'm gonna search night glow. It's okay, night glow. It's a music artist. It's an app, so I guess we can use it. Night glow, unless it's trademarked. I hope it's not. So upgrade the quality of current supply during night. I'm gonna do another icon for this, maybe this one. Temporary, obviously. For the solar one, this. Okay. What I want to do now, first I'm gonna document this variations. Sorry. So we've got glitter, we've got solar. during the day. This is during night. This is called, what was it called? Night glow. So we can have a feeder and a pooper, which are night glow effects with night glow effects, solar, glitter, and they can look exactly or almost the same, but have some detail that makes them solar, or I don't know, maybe a pattern of suns on the design, and you know you have. Or it can be a totally different epic item illustration with a feeder with a solar panel on top. I don't know. We're gonna do some items now, some graphics for this, because our next need is to communicate these effects to the player. So they should be on this window, and this window we haven't touched, as you can see, a long time ago. This doesn't work at all, so we need to rethink this UI to fit these effects if they're in the item, and we should have a tooltip that explains the use or how the bonus works. Right now I should or could, let me see. It doesn't have to be pretty, I just need to instantiate the icons from the bonuses component. Wait. But the bonuses component, it lives on the runtime entity. No, it's on the data. Okay, the bonus data. And for each bonus on the data, we get their icon, description and title, and instance, an effect. I don't know if button, but icon. And that should work. So we should hover over it. Yeah, let's do that. I'm gonna push what I just did, which is quality context bonuses. Push me, and then just push me, so I can get my satisfaction. Let's do icons. Fade. Let me see. I've got them here. Unity Letter Treasures Art. This one. So I did this one for the sunset cats, but I think I'm gonna make them all circles, so that the user knows stuff in circles mean effects. So I'm gonna do it like this. So let's try another one. We did one with the heart, so we have the Zen bonus, which is this one. When a cat is relaxed, the item works faster. That's the Zen, that's this one. Let's do the Loved, which could basically be a heart. Yep, let's do this. So new. I'm gonna use my brush here. I somewhere have my colors here. Yes, let's do this one. Stabilizer. Yes. Let's try it. Let's do this. Whoop-a. Crap. I hate circles, but I always choose circles. Well, part of this game is it needs to be, it should feel not perfect. So it's okay if it's not a totally perfect circle. I don't want to use vectors on this occasion. I wanted to have a little texture, roughness, irregularity, like life. And I'm gonna add a new layer, put it inside, get a brighter red. Let's do a circle, but I'm gonna get some help from my symmetry feature, which is somewhere. Symmetry? Didn't I? Where's my symmetry? Oh, here. Let's put it on what we think is the center. Rotate it. We can do hard. Yes. Let's block it so that we don't drag it. And that's a horrible, horrible heart. That's worst. That's better, but I don't like it. I like this one. So here we go. Heart. So that's the lovely bonus icon. Cool. We've got shadow, sunset, zen. Lovely. Now we need, I'm just gonna do the glitter one. So how do we do glitter? I guess we'll do the shines. Let's get the circle here. Let's do a new, let's call this glitter. If you think glitter, what, I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna get rid of the symmetry. For you, what color is glitter? For me it's purple, but I'm guessing I'm gonna use purple for the night shine or night glow. I'm guessing orange and yellow for the solar. So I guess a neutral should be, I guess, let's do this. Yeah. I'm actually gonna just duplicate and change their colors, maybe. So it's gonna be the same shines inside in white, like this. And we're gonna change the background. So if it's purple, it's night. If it's yellow, it's solar. And if it's or should it be gray? Nah, let's pick a color. And if it's light blue, then it's always. Let's do the circle. Crap. That was horrible, but it is what it is. No, too horrible. Okay, let's get this out. Let's paint it. Ah, I wasn't with the stabilizer? No, I was. Well, yes. This is... could be better. Yeah. So what is everyone working on? Feel free to share. I always like to know what everyone else is working on. It's inspiring. Okay, so let's do the shines. I'm gonna do 5 pixels in white. That's the X stabilizer. I'm gonna actually wait. In the game, quality is actually a star. We do not use this language as quality, so we should not change the language. We need to do a star. So for that, I'm gonna need some guidance here. This is a horrible star. Yes, like this. Okay. It doesn't look so fun now. I'm thinking. What should the icon represent? The function or the concept? I think it's the concept, and the concept is glitter, shine, and solar. So let's make the icon be more creative than a star. Let's do the shines. Let's do the shines. If it doesn't work, we can always change it somewhere in the doing the journey of reiterating and redoing everything again and again, which always happens. No, that's too regular. Not my best work, but let's try. The icons are so small. Sometimes you fixate a lot on stuff no one will ever notice. But you know. Maybe they know we know. They don't know we know. They don't know we know. How would they know? How would they know? Okay. So this is gonna be the glitter. We could actually wait. It's gonna be like this. It's pretty bad. It's pretty bad. But I think I know what to do. I'm gonna get these ones out. Since the glow is white, well, the shine, I don't know how to call it, it's white, we can do second color here. Hey, Frosty Frog, how's your demo doing? How are the bottles doing? Everyone, Frosty Frog has a demo. It's called Bottle Crash, Bottle Crash, I think. It's a single and local and I guess online multiplayer about throwing bottles through a level. It's like get up, go up, I guess, get up. but with bottle flasks. Check it out. Check it out. Frosty, put your link if you want to. Take advantage of what you can. We need to support each other. I just updated my demo today. It's to send some mails to the press. Yeah. Do you have like a database for the press? I've seen in Reddit some places, so like people share them. For my last game, Mike's Garden, I just contacted YouTubers. I didn't do it right or with enough time, but I guess that's how you learn. Yeah, awesome. So this will be glitter. Let's do another one that may have nothing to do with this one. I'm gonna copy this. I'm gonna cheat here, do this. So now my circle is different. This is gonna be solar. And I'm gonna cheat again here. Just fill it with what I believe is the color of solar panels, which is this one. Or should I call it sunshine? Wait. I think I'm gonna no. I'm gonna leave the solar panel concept for stuff that works faster with the sun. This is gonna be just, I'm gonna use the same thing. There's a game if anyone is interested. I am a solo dev. I do everything. I tried so hard. I'm trying to get so far. In the end, it does matter. We can variate this like this. We are cheating here, people. Cheating. Dum, 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 dum. So I'm gonna change this color of the solar one to yellow. Gonna just roughly paint it with a horrible brush. This. So this is gonna be sunlight. We're gonna rename it. Whoops. We can paint this with a dark version of this. And we can duplicate this. This is gonna be sunshine. Then we're gonna duplicate it and rotate it again like this. And this is gonna be called night glow. For the night glow, it would be nice to have another color here. But let me check. I'm gonna do the base purple, dark purple. I'm gonna do the stars or shines darker. And we could paint this with the color of those toys that you charge with sun and that they glow in the dark. That would be cuter, I guess. Let's do this. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We should have 7 icons. Do we? We do. Awesome. So right now, this for the user will mean my quality is upgraded. And then the color will tell them always day or night. That's the plan. Will it work? That is the question. Let's export this. Export. Gobos, little treasure, assets, graphics. Bonuses here. Save, yes. Let's get to Unity. Bonuses. Atlas. Let's copy this. These are 128. 128. Okay, so it's 128, 128. I could slice this. Nah. 128, 128. Sometimes when I try to make things faster, like shortcuts, I erase them. Erase more stuff than I should. I mess it up. 128, 128. Yes, and last one. 128, 128. Beep. Now we have to rename them. This is gonna be bonus icon lovely. It's gonna be glitter. It's gonna be sunshine. It's gonna be, could be moonlight. Sunshine and moonlight. Moonlight. Let's change it. Apply. It's good. So relaxed is zen. Lovely needs lovely. This one. Night. We'll call it moonlight. Moonlight. This one. Day it's sunshine. Sunshine. And this is always, which was called glitter. There we go. I'm gonna change them here. Sunlight. Sunshine. Sunshine. Moonlight. Let's see. I'm gonna place them all on one item. Let me check. Well, does this have? Yeah. That looks cute. And this one has no effects. But we had this one, and I think this one with effects. So yes, extra quality. And well, that's it, because I haven't applied the day or night. However, I do have a bowl called Moon Bowl. So I'm gonna add that effect here. Quality context, night. And we could have the plant pot. The watermelon could have the day. This will change. I'm just trying to see all icons I can. And the plant pot has always. This should be sunshine. Doesn't matter. I just want to see them. So I'm gonna cheat now. I'm gonna get this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, this one. And yeah, that's it. I need coins, so I'm gonna get some more cats. Don't do this at home. So we have this one. That's always. Quality plus always. This is loved and shadow. This is sunset and quality. Then we have, this should be quality at night. Always night. And I guess we put it here, I think. We never placed the sunshine, so let's do it on the plant pot, which is here. We can put this sunshine. Nope. Day. Sorry. And I'm gonna store this. I don't know if this works. Let me check. Yes. So we're doing day, doing night, doing day, doing night. Always. Day, doing night. Shadow. Boom. Boom shagalaka. Eat, 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 eat. Did we give this one any... Ah, this one had the day. Bah, whatever. The marshmallow bowl. Okay, okay. This is a disaster. Okay, new icons, check. New bonuses, icons. Now I need to make it possible for the users or players to know how do they work and which item has which effects. It shouldn't be hard, but famous last words, my people. We've got 30 minutes to go. Let's try. I haven't touched this UI in like 3 months, so let's see what we've got here. What am I doing? Game canvas level. Nope. Game canvas, and we have the main container. This is a front end. Inspect cat. No. Inventory UI. Yes. Yes. Damn it. Okay. Okay. This. So I'm guessing these 3 placeholders read the stats of the item. How many cats do they feed? If it's big, small. So I need a similar one just to spawn icons. Icons that trigger tooltips. Yeah. Yes, let's do this. Let's place them anywhere. I don't care really. Maybe here on the left. So inventory UI, item details window, that's this one. So we have items details panel, which is all of this. Okay. Item icon here. Item data. Item attributes. And the actions. Okay. So I'm gonna do another panel and put it right here. This is so wrong. But first we gotta make it work, then we gotta make it pretty. First, make it work. UI panel. Let's call this bonuses panel. Always name your layers and objects. In here, let's place it on the side width like this, and height like this. And this is gonna look ugly, but okay. Let's give it a background of a border, and we will purple just because. Okay, and I need this to be aligned for mental health. Let's see. This. Yeah, okay, here. We're gonna try to fit 2 icons here. It should work. So let's do UI. I'm gonna call it panel. So it's gonna be bonus icon prefab. This icon itself will be, let's try it with some real icons. So this one, holy crap. So it's gonna be maybe 40 by 40. That's good. Let's do it. Should this be totally? Yes. Okay, never mind. So this needs a tooltip tooltip sender and a static tooltip provider. By default, we're gonna get the icon of, we're gonna get this to be dynamic, but it should be like bonus title or bonus name and a short description of the item, bonus, and conditions. And the default color of the tooltip is going to be purple. I have to see afterwards which color will represent what. I know rounded shapes, rounded icons are effects. That's what I know. So let's stick to that first. And I guess I need this, should really be on a button. So I need a button here. Light, UI. Button. Let's get rid of this. It's gonna be the tooltip. That's not how we write. Tooltip button. I'm gonna stretch it to fit the icon, but we're gonna make it transparent. And this should really be, I don't know why I removed it, should be here. This triggers the provider and the sender. Tooltip sender, close and click, nope. Let's try it with a random icon, title, bonus title, content. This is the description of how the bonus works and when. Color, this one. So I'm just gonna check right now if the tooltip works. So let's go here. Yes, bonus title, this is the description of how the bonus works and when. Awesome. So this we can fill afterwards dynamically with the data of each icon. Beautiful. You're beautiful. Okay. So let's get back to where we were. So I'm gonna do this bonus icon prefab, prefab here. UI front end, inventory UI, and here bonus icon prefab. Cool. So all of this don't have item actions UI controller. This is so wrong. Item details window. Here is where we need to instantiate these icons. So I'm gonna try with some items. We'll have 3. So I'm gonna try with 3. 1, 2, 3. We need to make this. Maybe it's vertical. Maybe. So call me maybe. Yes, I think that makes more sense right now. So let's do, and maybe it's okay if we don't have like a container. Actually, we may not need it. So maybe. So call me maybe. We do this. We make it higher height, and we make it rounder if we can. I'm gonna need a new graphic for this. So let's use, instead of the button rect, this one. Yeah. And my icons should be middle center. We should not force expand the height. Okay. We could also make this a shader so that it looks like, you know, like you're like tripping foily stuff. Okay, so now I have 1, 2, 3. I want this to resize depend on the amount of items. So for that we need a component called size feeder, and we are going to say that the vertical fit is min size. So if I just instantiate 2, it stretches to fit 2. What I need now is some padding. So on top I'm going to go 10, bottom 10. Boom. Okay. Now let's make it work. Let's make it work. I'm gonna need. It would be better. That instead of this script managing all the components, each component should have its own script. That's the tea. That's the truth. That's how the cookie crumbles. So let's do it. Let's start. I'm gonna do item bonuses panel UI. Assets scripts UI front end inventory. And what do we need here? We're gonna need the container, the prefab for the icon, and a method to update it, refresh it, depending on what item we are inspecting. So let's do that. I'm gonna close everything else because I get lost very easily. Okay, so let's do a public void refresh. That's what we're gonna call each time we click on a different item. We are gonna need a serialized field, transform, icon, bonus container, bonuses container transform. We're then gonna need the prefab, but instead of using game objects for the bonus icon prefab, I like to use references directly for the script. So let's double click this. I'm just gonna bonus icon UI, bonus icon UI, item bonus icon, item bonus icon UI. Here, yes. So this icon needs a bonus data that we're gonna receive data, and we're gonna need public void setup, and we're just gonna receive the data. We're gonna need a reference to our, let me think, our provider, tooltip provider, generic tooltip provider, generic. Here, I'm gonna call it tooltip. This doesn't need this. Okay, so setup means data equals data. And tooltip equals no. Equals nothing. This is gonna be a serialized field. Let's do it manually. Serialized field. We need now just to know the icon itself, the sprite. So sprite, not image. You're gonna do the UI one. This is gonna be a bonus icon image. So on setup, we're gonna do bonus icon image dot sprite equals data dot icon. And for the provider, the tooltip, we're gonna do tooltip dot tag name. Wait. This is not how we do it. This is the beginning. Build from provider, but we do need. Wait. So this is a tooltip provider. Tooltip provider. Nope. Generic tooltip provider. Generic tooltip UI. No. Static tooltip provider. That's it. So tooltip equals nothing. Tooltip dot title equals data dot name. Tooltip dot content equals data description. Yes. Tooltip dot icon. I don't think we use icon anymore, and we have an icon, so color. No, we don't care. The color is the same. So just this title and content. Boom. That's the setup of one bonus icon UI, which we're gonna instantiate here. So we need a serialized field. Item bonus icon UI. We're gonna call it bonus icon prefab. Bonus icon prefab. So first, private clear private void. Clear previous icons. This is standard for each. Transform child in bonuses container transform. This doesn't work. Okay. For each child we find, destroy child.gameObject. Boom. Boom, boom, boom. So every time we refresh, we want to erase what was before and instantiate new. Instantiate new icons. Private void instantiate new icons, and we're gonna pass here a list of bonus data. Bonuses. Bonus data. So we need to pass some bonus data here, which means that in refresh we need the item data. Item data. Item. We're gonna store this here. Item data. Item data. So item data equals item. And we're gonna pass. We don't need to pass it, but let's do it. So no, we're not gonna do this. we're just gonna list bonus data equals bonuses equals item data dot bonuses. So now I have the list. We need to add generic collections. Alrighty. So it's bonuses, item data bonuses. We have the data. And now, for each bonus data bonus in bonuses, for each bonus we got on that list, we're gonna do instantiate. Item bonus UI. Crap. Called new icon equals instantiate the prefab, this, in the container. And why do we use this instead of a game object? Because now I can say new icon and get the methods we did. So I guess we did setup, but it isn't the item bonus icon UI setup. Oh yeah, it is here. And we get the bonus data of this. Boop. Okay. So now we just need the last part, which is to call refresh on this item bonuses panel UI. To do that, let's first get the references ready to avoid null references exceptions. So we need the tooltip, which is here. And that's all we need from here. Then we have the bonuses panel, which needs a container, which is itself, and the prefab, which is this one. Correct. Now the item details window, we need a reference to the panel. So item stack, item actions, like this. Like serialized field, item bonuses panel UI, item bonuses. Yes. And on update item data, we're gonna do item bonuses dot setup refresh. And we're gonna pass the data, which is any of this, the first item of the stacks. Wait. This is an instance, not a data. This, for example, is too much. I should only be doing this. Item actions is okay. It's a module and takes responsibility of all the actions and the logic. And bonuses also. But then we're doing the sprite, the text, the description, the category, the condition, the rarity. All of this should be another module. But well, that's for later. So let's see. I need to add the item bonuses panel here. And now it should work. Will it blend? That's the question. And with this, we are done for today. So this, for example, has shadow and the heart lonely. So right now, damn it, it did not work. Object not set to the reference of an object. Which one? Bonus icon. Didn't I? Wait, bonus icon image. I didn't do it because it's not serialized and I did not see it on the inspector. Okay, my bad. Let's do this. So don't forget to wishlist, follow, like, spread interpret the word whatever you want. And remember, if you are streaming or developing your game, you can share it here. You can look it up and help each other. Okay, so let's do this. Beep. Yes, and this is Brit Bonus Black, which should it got the data name like this one. Relax bonus works faster if being used by a loved cat. Works faster if black cat is using it. So my wording is weird, but it should work. This one has nothing. This one has nothing. Let's fix this tooltip stuff. Icon UI data.name. No. Title. Yes, that's how it works. And yeah, so nothing. I'm gonna add some stuff like this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, and this one, so we can check them out here. This one has no effects, no effects. This one has shadow and lovely. This one has sunshine. This one also has sunshine. This one has moonlight. This one has sunset and glitter. And that's it. Now we can build better content, more flexible, and new strategies may emerge now. Awesome. We're close to a playtest, people. If you'd like to participate on the playtest, join the Discord. We don't do much there, but I will be announcing it. Closed playtest. And I think that's that for today. Thank you everyone who stayed and who was before. Have an awesome week. I'm gonna push this item inspector bonuses module. Push. And that's it. Let's see if we can get it going for another one. Let's see. Raid. Who's around? Am I following someone? Irish John Game. The Hyper Game Dev, but it says do not raid, so we're not gonna raid. Red Squirg. Let's do Red Squirg. He's good doing a game called El Pollo Diablo. It's an RPG thingy. You're a chicken through dungeons. So let's go to Red Squirg. And once again, thank you a lot for coming here, staying, listening, me rumble and mumble. Yeah, have an awesome week. Tomorrow we're gonna do, I think we should do tomorrow a little revamp, a refactoring of this inspect item window, which is disgusting. This one. It's horrible. It's horrible. So let's see how we do that. You see, not even the aspect ratios are correct. So it happens. It happens. The filters do work. We could work on these icons also. That should be fine. Yeah, tooltips are okay, I guess. This should be coins. This should not be like a saw. I don't know what we're gonna do this icon about, and this should not be ready to use yet. See you around. Thank you very much. Let's go with red square. See ya.